Hello everyone, this is Lloyd Kim. I would like to continue make some tutorial view with previous movie. I made more detailed second view to add a comment. When you scroll down, the image is hidden of the view. These comments are from the Firebase database. If you added a comment, the list view data is changed real time. So I added a comment. You can see the comment in the list. On Android platform, it works same. Let's see the code to know how it works. Before watch this video, please watch this video first to understand Firebase database. I added some code in a few classes. When touch the Move Next class button, pass image URL. So this is the second class for this screen. Get image URL from previous class. Make this object to get screen size and get text from text field. This method is for add data to Firebase database. This is a Firebase field, so I use content, date, and user ID. The list data from Firebase database. The collection name is thread, and I added some data in thread collection using content, date, or user ID. I referenced code from Firebase DB tutorial movie. First, gather data using Firestore. Then, show list view. If not, show indicator, like loading image. This Sliver App Bar is a hidden bar when scroll down. So I add image and some stack with position. This level list is bottom of the view using Firebase database. First row is text field and send button. Match the field's name between list and Firebase database. So content, user ID, and date. The child count should be +1 with data length cause I added text field with button. That's everything. You can download this code and see more detailed code. Thank you for watching this video. And I appreciate subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Bye bye. I will be back.